A GPS receiver indicates that your home is 15 kilometers and 40 degrees north of west, but the only path through the woods leads directly north. If you follow the path 5 kilometers before it opens into a field, how far and in what direction would you have to walk to reach your home? Here you are going home, and then your home is 15 kilometers and 40 degrees north of west. That is, the resultant is given to you. Okay. But you have to find out the other part. Two displacements are there. One is you are walking 5 kilometers north. Okay. And afterwards, how much distance you are walking, or what is your displacement to get the resultant? That is what the question is. Now I will try to explain you the actual this one. You know, A is this is north, and then this is east, south, west. Okay. And what is happening here? First, A is in this direction, northern direction. Therefore, it has only y component, no x component, because it is a straight line. Next, he gave the resultant. Resultant is at an angle of, again, I will show you. This is how the resultant is. The resultant angle is given to us this as 40 degrees. In this direction, it is 40 degrees. Okay. But we measure angles always in this way. Okay. So this is the way we have to measure. These are all positive. Suppose if we measure the angles like this, the angles are positive. That means counterclockwise direction. Suppose if you measure the angles in opposite direction, that means from here to here. Okay, in this direction, in this direction, in this direction, then this is negative. The angle will be negative. So here 40 degrees is given in this direction towards north. Okay. So this is it is a negative direction. Next, what we have to do is we have to resolve the resultant into its components. I will tell you R is equal to Rx is equal to Ax plus Bx, and then Ry is equal to Ay plus By. Okay, so this indicates that Bx is equal to Rx minus Ax. R is the resultant, and then By is equal to Ry minus Ay. Okay, this is what. Now see this one. 15 kilometers, 40 degrees north of west is given to us, R. So resolve the R into components. So to resolve the R into components, now let us draw the line. I will use the perfect diagram instead of this one. Like this. And like this. Okay. And you have the other lines. This is how the line is. The resultant is. So we have to resolve the components, x component and y component. This is the y component. Okay, and then x component is in this direction. Now, when it is in this direction, you know this is the negative Rx. This is Ry positive. Okay, this is R. Now, let me resolve and the angle is given as 40 degrees. This is 40 degrees. Now, Rx is equal to, this is adjacent side. So, Rx is equal to negative 15 cos 40 degrees. and then Ry is equal to 15 opposite direction, sine 40 degrees. So what is the answer for this one? This is a negative 11.5 kilometers, and then this is 9.64 kilometers. Okay, and then we have Ax is equal to 0 because you are following 5 kilometers in this direction. Okay, this is the northern direction, so y direction. So Ax is equal to 0, and then Ay is equal to 5 kilometers. Okay, and then what else is known to us? That's it, because we have to find out B. Now, put the values here. Rx is equal to negative 11.5, and then this one is Ax is equal to 0. So this is equal to negative 11.5. Now when it comes to this one, Ry is equal to 9.64. And then this is also positive direction, plus direction, no? Am I right? Ay is equal to. So how it is plus 5. So this is equal to 14.64 kilometers. Am I right? Ry minus Ay. So here this is minus 5, sorry. This is Ry 9.4 minus 5, no? Because this is, so 9.64 minus 5 is equal to 4.64 kilometers. 9.64 is positive, and then this is also positive, but Ry is equal, so By is equal to Ry minus Ay, correct, I am correct, okay. Now what we have to do is, B square we have to find out, B we have to find out. So B is equal to square root of Bx square plus By square. Okay, so therefore B is equal to square root of negative 11.5 square plus 4.64 square. Therefore B is equal to 12 kilometers. And then tan theta is equal to By by Bx. So By by Bx is equal to 4.64 divided by negative 11.5. That is equal to theta is equal to, we get it, theta is equal to 22 degrees, negative 22 degrees. Okay, so the negative sign indicates that because it is in the this direction. Okay, the direction is in this one, and then we are taking the again in the counterclockwise direction. Suppose if we take the clockwise direction, then theta is equal to 180 minus 22, that is equal to 158 degrees. Okay, and then the direction is northwest, going from north to west. This is the western side. No, I told you, not western side. It is going north to west. So northwest. Okay. Here just Rx is equal to Ax plus Bx. Therefore, Bx is equal to Rx minus Ax. And then Rx is equal to negative 11.5 and Ax is equal to 0. This is negative 11.5. Then Ry is equal to Ay plus By. Hence, By is equal to Ry minus Ay. Ry is equal to 9.64 and then Ay is equal to 5. That is why we got 9.64 minus 5 is equal to 4.64 kilometers. The rest is like this. Okay. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.